fan of MAGA and no fan of Mr. Trump whatsoever. I think he's put the world in a very dangerous place, and in many ways is quite reprehensible, actually. So I hold no candle whatsoever for that policy and that.
They see me often as a traitor. You know, it's got nothing to do with the substance, but they want to blame somebody, and it's very easy to blame me because that is how they see the world that they live in and that they're used to, and that is the historic reference that they have. But I think the debate is necessary, and I think it's necessary that we ensure that we bring forward all and everybody in this country, and we're talking about them now. The same would apply to the other side. I mean, I've never been engaged in a discussion with Julius Malema, but I certainly